Health officials projected the COVID-19 surge in the fall would be bad, and in November alone, about a third of the nation's total cases were reported in just 30 days. Hospitalizations have more than doubled since the beginning of November. 23 states are seeing record numbers. Here's CNN's Stephanie Elam with more on those numbers.
The coronavirus pandemic not abating. At least 43 states are over the crucial 5% test positivity threshold. More than 96,000 Americans now hospitalized with the coronavirus, another high for the country.
We have to do everything we can during this very serious time when our hospitals are really being hit to slow down the transmission.
Governor Mike DeWine said more than 5,000 people are hospitalized with the coronavirus in Ohio, the most for the state throughout the entire pandemic.
Our numbers have just risen so quickly and so drastically.
We're seeing healthy individuals come in and they decline so quickly.
This field hospital in Rhode Island is starting to receive patients after hospitals in the state surpassed their capacity.
We're expecting to be taking care of a lot of folks here. We didn't have to be here, knowing that had we as a population come together and all stayed safe and stayed distanced and stayed home and stayed masked, that we could have avoided this.
And in California, the recent surge of new cases forcing Los Angeles County last weekend to implement another stay-at-home order for its 10 million residents. The governor warning new restrictions could be coming as the state predicts some hospitals could be near capacity by Christmas without intervention.
People just want to be done with this, but it doesn't take a break just because we're tired of it. We need to recalibrate for a short period of time what we do to keep this transmission down.
As experts warn, Thanksgiving travel and gatherings will likely cause a worsening surge in coming weeks. The CDC Vaccine Advisory Committee expected to make recommendations later today on who will receive the vaccines first when they are available.
What's important to note is the number of doses, the amount of vaccine that we have is still limited in comparison to the needs. So it's going to take a while for all Americans who need it on a priority level to get it.
Drug makers Pfizer and Moderna have submitted their vaccines to the FDA for emergency use authorization. The FDA will consider Pfizer's vaccine on December 10th and Moderna's 1 week later on December 17th. Dr. Anthony Fauci urging Americans to get a vaccine.
You want to be part of the solution, get vaccinated.